Your Sony Alpha can be fast and easily connected to Wi-Fi. It can be useful for remote control and picture transferring. Let's get your camera connected. Step 1. Enter the menu. First, turn on your Sony a6500. Press the menu button located on the back of the camera to access the main menu system. You'll find this button towards the top left corner, labeled with Menu. Step 2. Navigate to the wireless menu. Using the control wheel on the back of the camera, navigate to the Network tab. This is often represented by a globe icon. Within this tab, scroll down to find and select Wi-Fi settings. Step 3. Connect to a Network Select access point set. This will allow you to scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your desired network, enter the password using the on-screen keyboard, and connect. Your camera is now ready to interface with other devices via Wi-Fi. And there you have it, activating Wi-Fi on your Sony a6500 in just 3 simple steps.